The channel, Jeff Weibo here. Just going to show you guys how to invest in private real estate trust, and my REIT is called Foundation Capital, and we offer 15% plus targeted annual returns. And you can see here, this is just our website here, and I'll link this in the description below. And I'm going to start doing more videos like this as well. But as you can see here, for new investors, you need $10,000 to subscribe. And you can either get your cash flow sent back to you, or you can reinvest it in a drip program. And then we take registered funds as well too. So our RRSP, TFSA, RESP, LIRA, etc., that kind of stuff. And we're helping out over 250 Canadians invest in properties like this. I'll click portfolio here. You can kind of see the buildings that we buy, just like 3-story walk-ups. Not with elevators. Elevators just have extra costs. We're kind of keeping those down at the moment, but rent stays kind of the same even in these buildings. And we just turn the insides of these buildings into like beautiful looking apartments and rent them out to hardworking Canadians. So that's what we got kind of going on here. If you're on our website, you can go over, you can check out our financials, click the buttons here. I'll put the links all below. But when you want to make an investment, you have to get approved by an exempt market dealer. So we're using equivesto and Parvis at the moment. So if you click and we get over to equivesto, or I guess we'll just click this button here. And as you can see, we've gone up. We're only a few dollars short of 7 million raised. So obviously 7 million here, 6986 of confidence invested in Foundation Capital. And we want to continue to see that growing. So you got to come over here. You got to make a profile with equivesto. And then you can either contact me or email equivesto. It's, I believe, let's see if I got it at the bottom here. You can do support at equivesto.com right here, and just tell them you want to make an investment in Foundation Capital, and then they're going to start approving you after you make the profile. But bonus, or even here, invest at equivesto.com. You can send them here, especially if you have TFSA and RRSP, because they're going to have to like approve you on that, as well as a cash investment. But they're going to make a Olympia Trust account for you. But they want to know before, like say, hey, I got a TFSA, I want to invest in Foundation Capital. Just tell them here at this email address. Then they will set up your Olympia Trust account in order to do that. They suggest a $10,000 minimum for TFSA and RRSP, just because Olympia Trust is a third-party Canadian company and they take annual fees. So just be prepared for that. But cash investments, no annual fees. You just make your money there. So you come over here, you eventually click invest now, and you'll sign up here and go through everything that they need you to do there. So you want to put aside maybe 10 to 20 minutes to do all that, and pretty easy there. But here, guys, we have a limited time bonus right now. So if you invest this summer all the way up till August the 31st, you're going to get 2% bonus units. So as bonus units, a little bit of an incentive while you're sitting at the cottage this summer. So check that out. And still, you would get 15% plus targeted annual returns throughout the year on that. So it's a 7% distribution and 8% plus targeted appreciation. So you get a percentage of the rent and a percentage of the building upside. So check us out here. We have more buildings that we're trying to acquire. So if you're a current investor, make sure you guys top up your investments. You'd be eligible for those bonuses this summer. And then if you're a new investor, make sure you go through your portals here. Also, you can go on Parvis as well too, which was that other one on the website, and you can also invest via Parvis. Up to you guys. There you go. 2 different EMDs, exempt market dealers, for you guys to take a look at here. So have any questions, you can always reach me on Instagram or leave a comment below here, or email us at investor.relations@foundationcapital.ca. I'll put that again in the bottom there. So I'll see you guys on the next video,